So this is Trey Tuff, and I'm presenting for Right Circle. So Right Circle is an app that aims to provide a space for creatives to share their writing for feedback and consume others' writing for inspiration. Um, I have a customer testimonial here for to just generally present a problem statement. And it's as a novice author, it's easy to get burnt out after writing for hours on end. So it'd be nice to have a place to get feedback from quickly. Problem is, it's hard to get feedback and inspiration from like-minded creatives on my writing, and that comes from Jack, who is an aspiring comic writer. So, for a summary, Jack would be an example of a user and payer, and advice and inspiration for writing would be the problem. So, we aim to create a space where writers can get feedback on their stories. So this is a general like mock concept of what things would look like. You'd pretty much have it divided into top works, so works that are the most highly rated new works, newly published works, and similar works, which are works that are determined by generative AI to be similar to your style of writing. And this is kind of what the user interface would look like for creation. So we have a start new script. You can edit old scripts, and it shows all saved and finished scripts. So this is an example of what the UI would look like for script critique. So if you're going in to look for advice on your writing, this is how people would basically go in to give you feedback. You can see that in the red that's all over this script. So another feature we're gonna add is a prompt generator, which basically is an AI that gives you ideas of what to write about if you're facing writer's block, and that can be really instrumental in just helping you get going. So what separates us from other writing apps is that we will be having a smaller price than any other app, and we offer custom writing services through the AI prompt generator. It features works from other writers to browse, and we support writing for various mediums like scripts, books, comics, movie scripts. So for the revenue model, all transactions are going to take place throughout the Right Circle app platform. And for the free plan, we're going to have basic features. We're going to have a $9.99 per month premium subscription and custom pricing for enterprise workshops. So that'll basically be like company sponsored. And for transaction frequency, free users are going to engage more sporadically, premium users on a monthly subscription model, and enterprise clients are going to be billed monthly or yearly. So for customer acquisition and growth, for acquisition, we're going to be running social media campaigns, writing community partnerships, and SEO content. For keeping people, we're going to keep adding collaborative writing features other than the AI model I just discussed. We're going to probably add peer review forums and exclusive publishing opportunities, which are really good for smaller writers trying to push their stuff. For growing, we're going to add referral bonuses, loyalty-based perks, and partnership with writing organizations. So with expanding the reach in the beachhead market, we're going to target the online writing communities, so like Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord servers. For phase two, we're going to expand to related online communities, so bigger platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And then for phase three, we're going to launch targeted advertising campaigns on social media and relevant websites. So here you can see an example of the driving force. There's me, I came up with the idea and most of the models. There's John, who's the lead programmer who makes sure these are implemented. Kiera, who's the marketing director, she's the one who's pushing all the ads. And the social media manager, Brian, who is our head of community outreach on Instagram and TikTok. So we are here to basically ask for $50,000 for an initial amount. 60% of that is going to customer acquisition, 30 to product development, and 10% to operational costs. For a rough timeline, the first 2 months are just launching the initial marketing campaign, implementing AI prompt generation, and then for the third one, we're going to be expanding to more platforms, launching a referral program. For measurable outcomes, we're going to grow the user base from 0 to 15,000 within 3 months, increase user engagement by 40%, and achieve 130,000 of paying subscribers within 6 months. So this is kind of like a tagline for us. Writing is a lonely job unless you're in a community of writing. And try the app, join the community, or connect with me to learn more. Thank you.